Okay, Yankee Home Improvement. I am here in Worcester with Dennis and Michelle, and we've just installed a lovely bathroom for them. And I was going to ask, what's the biggest difference that you've noticed?
For me, I like the look of it.
Mm-hmm.
It looks very up to date. It looks clean. Our last tub was a, what do you call them?
Modular.
Well, yeah, it's
I
not
put one in, they
modular, but
put them
it had
in.
stained and it looked awful for a while. So to look at the brand new sparkling clean of it all was really, for me, the biggest thing. It just looked beautiful.
Yeah, we couldn't get the other one clean.
And on top of that, it gave us a little extra space, so it's even a little more spacious. So
Wow.
yeah.
Great, great. So, what would you say to any friends or family members or neighbors who would consider using Yankee Home Improvement?
Well, definitely for me, if I found out someone was planning on doing what we did, and if I heard someone was planning a job, I would definitely tell them about Yankee and how we liked what we had done and pass on that information.
Yeah, if they're interested in quality, because Sam came, he said quality. He said what we're selling is quality and reliability and backing and he's shown not to be telling the truth. He shows to be telling the truth and not just blowing smoke. And
right.
So if you want quality stuff, it seems like that's what you get.
We saw Sam first, and he was very helpful. He gave us a lot of information, showed us the some of the samples of the materials before we even,
Showed us, talked about quality.
Listened to what we wanted and what we felt.
Yeah. And so, the quality, just the quality of what they put in, just seemed better than a lot of stuff we had seen.
The people were just super nice, from anyone we talked to on the phone, to the workers themselves.
Yeah.
I just think, I guess the bottom line is the final product is probably the best thing about the whole deal. But it was a real good deal all the way around.
Well, great. Dennis and Michelle, I thank you so much for allowing us to come in and hear your experiences with Yankee Home Improvement. So thank you once again for making us your contractor of choice.
It was our pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.